Want to tighten up your document? Let's learn how to change the line spacing to single-spaced. Highlight text. Select the area of the document you want to change to single spacing. You can either drag your mouse over the text to highlight it, or press Ctrl+A to select the entire document. Right-click. Once the text is highlighted, right-click anywhere within the selected area. Select Paragraph. From the context menu that appears, click on Paragraph. Change line spacing. In the Paragraph dialog box, look for the line spacing option. Click the drop-down and select Single. Confirm changes. Click OK to apply the changes. Check for extra spacing, if necessary. If the document is still not single-spaced, or there are stubborn spaces, highlight the text again, right-click, and select Paragraph. In the Paragraph dialog box, check the option for Don't add space between paragraphs of the same style. Click OK to confirm. Finish. The document should now be single-spaced. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.